Hello students, in this video I am going to discuss the solutions of questions asked on electrostatic in previous year entrance examinations for engineering and medical. Now let us start with question 1. In a parallel plate air capacitor, the distance between plates is reduced to 1/4 and the space between them is filled with the dielectric of medium of constant 2. If the initial capacity of the capacitor is 4 microfarad, then its new capacity is. So in this, we have to find out the new capacity of a capacitor whose initial capacity was 4 microfarad and its air gap is filled or air gap is reduced to or the distance is reduced to 1/4 and the space between them is filled with the dielectric medium of constant 2. So let us see the solution. First, capacity of air capacitor is given as epsilon 0 A upon D. Right? So A is the area of plate, epsilon 0 is the permittivity of air and D is the distance between parallel plates. So these are the two parallel plates. The distance between these two is D. Now it is given that the 1/4 space or the distance is reduced to 1/4. So 1/4 of D is filled with dielectric medium of constant 2. So 1/4 of D is filled with dielectric medium of constant 2. Therefore, C medium or capacity of capacitor with medium is given as K is the dielectric constant epsilon 0 A divided by D by 4 is the space, new space D by 4, it is reduced to D by 4. So this is D by 4. So when we put the values, the value of K is 2 given epsilon 0 A upon D by 4, right? And if we take the ratio of these two, then we get C air upon C medium is equal to epsilon 0 A upon D divided by 8 epsilon 0 A divided by D. So this 4 will become 2 into 4, 8. So here D will get cancelled, epsilon A will get cancelled, the remaining is 1 by 8. And the original capacity of capacitor was 4 microfarad. So 4 by and new capacity is say X or the capacity of C medium. So which is equal to, therefore C medium is equal to 32 microfarad. C medium is equal to 32 microfarad. Option D is correct. Let us discuss second. Which of the following is the dimensional formula for electric polarization? So electric polarization, we have to find out the dimensional formula for electric polarization. So the electric polarization or the formula for electric polarization is given as displacement upon volume. Displacement upon volume, and this displacement is nothing but the dipole moment upon volume. Dipole moment is nothing but charge into length, and volume is length cube. Charge is nothing but current into time divided by one length will get cancelled, length square. So current A, time T divided by L square. So its dimension is given as M0 L minus 2 T1 and I1. So given option B is correct. M0 L minus 2 T1 I1 is the correct option. Let us see next question. A charged conductor produces an electric field of intensity 10 cube volt per meter just outside its surface in vacuum. Then it produces the electric field of intensity E, electric field of intensity E just outside its surface, just outside its surface, when it is placed in a medium of dielectric constant 4. The dielectric constant is given as 4. The value of E will be, the value of E will be. So here we have to find out the value of E when it is placed in dielectric constant of, medium of dielectric constant 4. Therefore, see, the electric field is given as electric field intensity is given as E0 equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. So this is the equation for electric field intensity. When charge is placed, or the charge conductor is placed in electric field intensity E, when charge conductor is placed in medium of dielectric constant four, that is epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 into K. So the permittivity of medium epsilon is equal to 4 epsilon 0. Therefore, the electric field intensity of medium becomes 1 upon 4 pi epsilon Q upon R square, Q upon R square, and this epsilon is 1 by 16 pi epsilon 0 Q upon R square. So here epsilon is equal to epsilon 0 into K, that is epsilon is equal to 4 into epsilon 0, right? So the dielectric constant is 4. So initial electric field intensity was 10 cube, that is 1000. So initial electric intensity was, so E medium we can write E0 upon 4, E0 upon 4. So if I write like this, so here 4 pi into, it is 1 by 4. So epsilon is 4 epsilon 0 separate, so it will become epsilon 0 divided by 4, so which is equal to 1000 divided by 4. So E medium is equal to 250 volt per meter. So option B is correct. 250 volts per meter. Option B is correct. Let us discuss next. A capacitor of capacitance C1 is charged up to a potential V and is then disconnected from the battery. It is then connected to a uncharged capacitor. So we are charging C1 with potential V, then we are disconnecting it and then we are connecting it to the uncharged capacitor in a parallel whose capacitance is C2. The potential difference across each capacitor is. So we have to find out the potential difference across each capacitor. So let us solve the charge on C1, the first capacitor, say Q1. Charge on first capacitor is say Q1. Capacitor 2 is connected and charged with same capacitor or with capacitor 1. Therefore, charge on capacitor 2, say Q2. So we can say that Q1 equal to Q2 because Q2 charge is taken from capacitor 1 who has already charged with charge Q1. So if for the connection is parallel connections, for capacitors in parallel, for capacitors in parallel, we have C1 plus C2, new capacitors C1 plus C2. Now this charge Q1 is nothing but C1 into V. Charge C1 is nothing but C1 into V, and this charge Q2 is nothing but C2 or this C1 plus C2 into V2. C1 plus C2 into V2. So we have to find out the potential difference, this V2 across each capacitor. So from this we can write as Q1 is equal to Q2. We can equate these two equations. C1 plus C2 into V2 is equal to C1 into V. So V2 is equal to C1 V upon C1 plus C2. So this is the required equation. So this equation is nothing but option D, C1 V divided by C1 plus C2. So V2, that is the potential difference across each capacitor when they are connected in parallel, is given by this equation. Some other questions are discussed in the next part of the video for electrostatic solutions. Please do watch the next part.